Welcome back to Cholla Farm, where every new day brings new lessons in farming. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of something exciting. Yes, plowing our 1.5 hectare farm using a tractor. We are getting the land ready for a new planting season, but before that, I wanted to test drive this beast myself. Let's get started.
Nyorosha. Rumba, rumba, rumba.
Now our tractor operator has taken over. He's carefully dividing the land for proper plowing. You can see how methodically he does it line by line, ensuring every part is turned evenly. And you might notice some white birds following the tractor. Those are cattle egrets. They love hanging around freshly plowed soil because they feed on insects and worms that get exposed. They are actually the tractor's best friends. Ever wondered why tractors have small wheels in front and large ones at the back? The small front wheels help steer easily and handle lighter loads, while the large back wheels provide power, stability, and grip when plowing through heavy soil. It's smart engineering made for tough farm work. Plowing like this helps to loosen the soil, bury weeds, and improve aeration, giving crops the perfect environment to grow. The best time to plow is before the rains begin, when the soil is slightly moist but not muddy. That's when you get perfect soil turnover without clogging the plow. And even the toughest machines need a little care. Our tractor just stopped for a quick grease maintenance. This prevents metals parts from grinding and wearing out. Watch closely. The driver and his assistant are adding grease to the joints and of course the plowing arms. This simple step extends the tractor's life, keeps performance smooth, and prevents costly breakdowns later. If you're new to farming, regular greasing every few hours of work is a must, especially in hot or dusty areas like ours here in Kisumu County.
Sorry.
After the quick fix, we are back at it, now working on the sides of the field. Finishing the sides makes sure no area is left untilled, giving our seeds an even surface to grow. You can see that as the plow runs, some weeds and leaves remain on the soil. That's completely normal. They'll decompose and add organic matter, improving soil fertility naturally. Once plowing is complete, the land is left to rest for about 1 to 2 weeks before planting. This allows microorganisms to stabilize and the soil to settle, preparing it for seeds or seedlings. Using a tractor for this work saves enormous time and energy. What will take several people a week to do with hose can be done in a few hours, efficiently and evenly. You might notice that yellow jerry can. It usually carries extra diesel or water for cleaning tools or cooling during long hours of work in the sun. And that's a wrap for today. I'm driving the tractor out as we finish our 1.5 hectare field. You might hear some sound in the background. That's me listening to my Liverpool football match. Football keeps me motivated even when I'm working long hours on the farm. But if match commentary is copyrighted, I'll keep this part on mute. Just imagine me celebrating a Liverpool goal. Yay! So our land is ready for planting. Another step forward for Cholla Farm. We are growing not just crops but knowledge too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more authentic village farming, from poultry to dairy and now land preparation. Visit Cholla Farm for quality improved Kienyeji chicks, fresh vegetables, and improved Kienyeji fertilized eggs. And if you love this kind of content, you can also watch our sister channel, Cholla Farm Ventures, for more of our farming adventures. Okay? If you'd like to hire this tractor and you're within Kisumu County, feel free to call us. Our number is on our description. Okay? Till next time. Bye.